Hello everyone. Want to speed up your Windows laptop or PC? Are you facing slowness or lagging issue in your Windows laptop? Then this video is definitely going to help you. I am going to share you 11 super easy and quick steps that will help you delete temporary files, clear cache and junk files, and that leads to free up space and boost your Windows speed. All these steps are one kind of Windows feature and 100% tested and working. And important thing, this video is going to be super informative, so watch till the end. One more thing, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos on Windows feature and updates and much more things that will ease your daily laptop routine. So let's see the 11 easy step to boost your Windows laptop. How to clear DNS cache? For that, we need to open cmd command prompt in administrator mode. Once command prompt is open, then we need to type ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. Let me zoom in so you can see. Now hit the enter and you will see the response in cmd successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. How to clear cache in browser? Open the Chrome browser and hit Ctrl Shift and Delete together. That will open delete browsing data window and you will have time range and other options. Select all type in time range and select appropriate options and hit delete data. That will delete all the caches, cookies and other site data as per your selection. Now open Microsoft Edge and repeat the same process that we did for Chrome browser, because in most of the browser hitting Ctrl Shift and Delete will open the delete browsing data window. How to clear location history in Windows? Go to Start and type Settings and open Settings window. Go to Privacy and Security tab and search for the Location tab. Select Location tab and scroll down and search for the Location history. Beside that you will find Clear button. Click on that and your location history has been cleared. Now if you want, then you can off the location service, so in future no new location history will be generated. Yeah, that's it. How to clear Windows store caches? For that, hit Windows plus R key together and in run window type wsreset and click on the OK button. Let me zoom in. wsreset and click on the OK button. It will automatically redirect to cmd and clear the caches of Windows Store. How to delete old system update files that are still pending in the system? For that, you have to open drive where your operating system is located. Mine is C drive, so I open C drive and click on the Windows folder. In Windows folder, you have to select software distribution folder and open that folder, and you will able to see some folders. Out of that, you have to select download folder. In download folder, all the system update files are located, so select all the files and hit Shift plus delete to permanently delete it. For these files, you have to give administrator access, so it will prompt you for that, so just give the access. For that, you have to click on the continue. Once deleting process start, this might take some time because these files are much bigger in size. For my case, it is around 10 GB and it took around 40 to 45 minutes to delete all the files. How to clear prefetch files in Windows. Hit Windows plus R key together and open the run window and type prefetch in that and select OK. This will open all the prefetch files. Select all the prefetch files and hit Shift plus Delete key to delete all the files permanently. How to delete system temporary file. Hit Windows plus R key and type temp and hit OK. Select all the files and click Shift plus Delete to delete all the files permanently. Skip the files that are in use. How to delete temporary files that are generated due to user activity. Hit Windows plus R key together. In run window, type %temp% and hit OK. It will show you all the temporary files that are generated due to user activity. So you have to select all the files and hit Shift plus Delete to permanently delete all the files and click on the yes. If some files are in use, then you have to skip those while deleting. How to perform disk cleanup in Windows. Hit Windows plus R key together and in open run window you have to type cleanmgr and hit OK. If you have more than 2 drives, then it will give you selection and you have to select the drive where your Windows operating system is located. I have only 1 drive, so C drive is automatically selected, and I have to select the options that I want to delete the files. I am selecting all the options because I want to clear all the files. Now hit OK and select delete files. It will take some time, and after some time it will delete all the unnecessary files like recycle bin files, temporary files, and whatever you have selected in the option. How to clear RAM caches. Let's understand what is RAM cache. We need to open Task Manager. One option is you can click Control Alt and Delete together to open Task Manager. Another is what we have seen from Start menu. Let's go to the Performance tab in Task Manager and go to the Memory. See, here we can see the cache storage. It is 252 MB now. It might increase because of some program running in the background. For clearing the RAM cache, we need to install one software. The name of the software is RAM Map. Let's search about it, and here it is. Click on the first link and download the RAM Map. It will come in the compressed file, so you have to extract it. Once you extract it, you have to open the RAM map. See, the cache memory is around 500 MB. Let's open RAM map. In the RAM map, you have to go to the empty see the cache is 519 MB. You have to go to empty and select empty standing list, and now see the cache is 17 MB now. So this is how you can clear the RAM cache. Another way to clear the RAM cache is to restart the laptop or PC. Yeah, you can also do that to clear the RAM. How to configure startup application in Windows. Open Task Manager. You can hit Ctrl Shift and Escape also, so that will also open the Task Manager. In Task Manager, you have to select Startup Apps. Here you can see all the applications, and whichever you don't want to be start at the time of the Windows start, then you can disable that, and that might reduce the boot time of your Windows. So here is the one way to boost your PC.